What's up, guys? Just kidding. Ever wondered if you could get camping gear at a Home Depot or some other big box retail home improvement store? Let's go check it out and see what they have to offer that might be able to be used for camping. Maybe we could even do a challenge someday, like build a tent out of supplies. That'd be amazing. This is the too long didn't read part of the video. I mean the too long didn't watch part. Did it go by too fast? Oh my goodness. As you can see, they've got tarps. I wonder what you could do with a tarp. Storage containers are, come on, honestly, very useful. I absolutely love the ability to sort and organize the stuff. Coolers. You are going to wash some dishes, correct? So this section has probably got the most of everything that we would expect to find at a Home Depot that we would need for camping. Because we're all going to probably be doing some barbecuing or propane cooking of some kind. We're going to need something, some tongs, some grill cleaners, some hot pan holders, obviously some charcoal, propane, lighters, all that kind of stuff. So this segment is actually pretty long because, well, they've got a lot of stuff to offer that we're probably going to need while we're camping. So knowing that you can come in here and get some charcoal, obviously you may have known that, may have not. I really like, though, that you can get a brand new propane tank if you're tired of getting those older ones that look just kind of terrible. So good options there. Now, if your camping spot's got electricity, you probably are going to need some extension cords. And then if you obviously need to split it up as well, I really like these rigid power little splitters. They've got the little covers over there to get the moisture and other dirt out of the plug-ins. Those are really great. Couple decent battery-powered lights. These little clamps actually look really nice for dealing with like gas hoses and electric cords. You need locks because sometimes you absolutely need to be able to secure your gear. Sometimes people are passing through the area and you just do not want them to be able to snatch your stuff. So you're a first-time camper and you get out there and you get everything set up and you're like, this is awesome, this is really nice. And then the sun goes down and you're like, wait, there's no light? Yes, that is correct. There's no light. You definitely want to bring some flashlights with you. Headlamps are totally awesome. Whatever you can use to get yourself some light out there is very useful. Don't waste it. Don't waste your batteries if you can avoid it. But when you need to be able to find the restroom or get back to your tent and it's just pitch black out there, you definitely want to be able to have some light out there. One of the things that I really enjoy, honestly, is being able to light up the area and make it look nice, make the little ones feel comfortable, have nice little area lights. Very nice to have. Unfortunately, they didn't have any of the propane lights at Home Depot, but they did have some good stuff. And sometimes it rains, so you might need a rain jacket. Little propane tanks. Awesome, now we know we can get them there. So when I got to this segment, I saw the S-Biner clips, and I was aware of those. I use them a lot in my daily life. And I was really impressed as I got lower down the shelf, and I saw these things that you can use to tie up, or they bend around and help you organize your gear. And I'm like, this is amazing. I totally am going to come back here and get a few of these things and just start playing around with them. Just use them for various applications. both with the camping gear when traveling in the truck or future backpacking or even around the house. These things looked great. Bungee cords, tie downs, you're definitely going to need some stuff to help secure your items as you're traveling. Maybe you won't necessarily need this depending on the type of vehicle you're using, but probably will come in handy at some point. You can have some custom chains made, custom wire cabling, ropes, various different types of ropes that you can use. Obviously, rope can come in extremely handy in camping. Don't want to be out there without that. So there you have it. We found quite a few different items that you can get at a big store like a Home Depot that you can use for camping. Now, obviously, there was things missing. You can't get a sleeping bag. You can't get some thermal socks or good clothes or hat and gloves. Well, maybe some hat and gloves, depending on the season. But at any rate, there are still some things missing. Obviously, there was no tents. But how exciting and fun would it be to actually take a challenge to go into Home Depot and be able to only camp with things I bought in there? That sounds like a future goofy video that we might have to put together someday. But at any rate, there's some things you can get in there, especially if it's last minute. You pull into a town and maybe you don't have a lot of stores available to you and you need to get something for your camp. Now, if you've watched my video here, you may at least know of some things that you didn't realize, especially those little 1-pound cans of propane. That is really handy. I did not have any idea that they had those there. So, hope you all enjoyed and happy camping, y'all.